Hello, my name is Watanainya Mendu, and I am a believer from Zayoja FIF Mrambinda, which is where I work as a laboratory scientist. And this is my second time attending church Gweru camp, and it has been such a wonderful experience for me, and I have thoroughly enjoyed the Bible lessons that we get in the morning. We've had such a deep dive into the gospel. This year's scripture, this year's theme was searching the scriptures, and we were taught how to search the scriptures, going through it word by word. Like on the first day, we had a deep dive on John 3 verse 16. In fact, it took us 3 days to go through John 3 verse 16, and there's so much I didn't know about studying the word and going through the scriptures. And another wonderful experience I had was the discussions that we had, lessons that we had in the morning, and we were being taught on um, mental health, which was depression, and then we're taught on raising the boy child. Then we're taught on small groups, which is basically evangelism. And then I also learned about sanctuary, which was a new concept to me, where we were being taught and it was explained to me that um, this is the core faith and the core thing that SDAs believe in, that Jesus is now in the sanctuary interceding for us. And I would like to encourage other people and even other believers to attend SDA camps or even other denominations. You get to learn a lot, which might not be something that you learn at your church, and you get to experience God in a different manner than what you are used to. And uh, I don't want to lie, learning about depression and raising the boy child is not something that we commonly hear in church, right? Because mainly we focus on building the spirit man. But this also impacted me as an individual and shaped me up as a person. And this is something that I'm going to take home and teach other people when I get back to work.